Hi everyone and welcome back. Just a quick one. I just want to showcase this degreaser. It's from Halfords, that's in the UK, and this is what it's done. I'm currently dismantling an E92 BMW. It dropped its guts, so I have to do a full-on rebuild, but this is what it's done. The degreaser, that's after 24 hours from that to that. So I've got another one on the go here, and then that's the cradle for your crank. Worked really well. It's taken it all out, and here's the block. That's what it's done. Really impressed. Really impressed. So if you want something to degrease your engine, I'd recommend the XCP Professional.